Hello, good people. It's another episode, and I want to thank you guys for having joined me on this YouTube channel. My name is Bella Jays, and I'm happy that you are here with me. And today, I would like to unbox and set up my ring light. Guys, I got a new addition for my channel, that is, and it actually came in this manner, in this package. And here is the tripod. So let's go ahead and unbox it and try to set it up together. Thank you. Please consider subscribing to my channel. So this is how it came out or came home. It's called, I don't know if you guys can see, ring fill light, and it's 12 inches in size. 30 centimeters, yes. And then it came with a cable, I think you can see. Yeah, so let's go ahead and try to unbox it and setting it up together. Okay, so first let me open this one. So I first see this package like this, and here is the ring light. It's actually 12 inches in size, I mean across the diameter, like that. Then it has a cable. This is the cable to plug into the socket or through an adapter and into the socket. Then it actually came with this thing. I don't know how to call it, but it's a phone holder. It actually can twist left, right, front, back, just the way you want it. Then this part is the part that will hold or will clip the phone. So it's actually expandable and it's actually very strong. Then you can see that this part also has got something like a ball inside here, so that it can twist easily on whichever direction you want it to twist. And also it came with this thing. How do I call it? Okay, I'll just show you guys how to fix this one and what role it plays. And now let's go to our tripod. This is how it was delivered. Somehow I didn't like the packaging. It looked like it had been opened before, or it was like a sample, or I don't know. It was just not nicely packaged. This is how it came. So I think it's long enough. So this is how it looks like. Actually, I had gone and read so much about this thing until I somehow know how it already operates. So to be able to get the base to be stable enough, you have to adjust here. So these parts, when you adjust, then you can be able to spread these three parts at the base. So let's try to adjust it. So you can see as I open, it keeps spreading. As I turn this knob, it keeps spreading. And now I have it like this. So to make sure that this part is stable enough, you can, and you're okay with this length, for example, then you lock it here. But if you want it to go a bit higher, then you can just pull this part like this. Let me show you, like this. Then you see it is going a bit higher. Then now you can place it here. Okay, let's just put ours a bit shorter. I think there. Then let's lock it. So once you lock it, you have like made the base stable. It doesn't turn around easily. Then So it is this long, and if you want to expand it even more, okay, first let's just fix the ring light. So the ring light, let me undo this cable first. Okay, here is our ring light, and we can fix it. So actually now I've come to the curl of this thing. It looks like a joint somehow, but also it has a roll of, you see this thing inside here, I don't know, here it looks like a ball at the base here. This one is the purpose is to help it turn, twist left, right, the same way I'm doing this way, so it can go all directions. So once you fix it here, have to fix it here. Make sure it's fixed properly. Then now you fix it here. Just show you how to fix this ring light. So the role of this joint actually, okay, first let me just sorry, let me just make it strong enough. So you see, for the role of this joint right here, it has got something like a knob, is to turn your ring light in whichever direction you want. If you want it to bend forward, backwards, sideways, all the sides, so it can actually go 360. Then now if you're satisfied with the particular position, then you lock it here so it doesn't turn again. See, now it's stable. And then now you can even adjust. Okay, if you're using a shorter surface, then you can just have it like this. But if your surface is longer, or you want to take a video from a distance, then you have to adjust here. You can adjust this one upwards, or this one, then it will go down. So let's adjust this one first. So I'll adjust this second knob, and you can see I have my tripod going down. And so if I'm satisfied with that length, I'll go ahead again and lock here. Lock. So you have our ring lights. It is so tall, guys, that it can go up to 2.1 meters or 210 centimeters. So it can go even higher. Just see, it can go higher. So high. Like when you want to take an aerial view of whatever you are doing, then you can just put it so high like that. Then make sure this knob is a bit loose so it can turn like that. And then you can take a video just below it while putting your camera here. Good. So because it's too high for me, let me just bring it down a little bit so that I can be able to fix the phone clip. So I will lock it here for now, here, and be able to, so that I can be able to add this part. So this one is it has something like a ball inside here, whereby it can go 360. You actually adjust it using this part here, this part. So I can open it to make it a bit loose. You see, now it's easy to go around. Then I can, once I'm okay with the particular position, I can close it in like that, and so it's a bit stronger. It doesn't move easily. So this one, I'll put it here. Let me Let me first adjust it a little bit. It's too high for me. So I fix this one here. And here we have it. So it will hold the phone in here. And now this part, you can put your phone upright if you want, like this. If you can put your phone landscape if you want, just twist it like this. And you can turn your phone around this way, that way, just the way you want it. And even upwards. Yeah, I think we have it. Then let me just connect this part to the socket and show you how many lights this ring light has. Unfortunately, for the ring light, it didn't come with an adapter for normal sockets. It just came in this way, see, and so you have to go and get an adapter, which I have now. So I just put it here, then put it on the socket, and then the ring light has something like a controller here. It has got the power on off, reduce, change light, and add light. Power on off, reduce light, change light, and add light. So there are 3 options here, and also there are 3 options of lighting. So let's just put on and see. Gosh, that's how it looks like. And so if I wanted to reduce the light, I just press this button here. So I'll reduce the light, and I'll increase the light with this upper button. That's more light. And then I can change the type of light I want. If I want white, I can change to that one, or I can change to that one. So it has got 3 options. Oh, so nice. Actually, this one can light up your room even if it's at night. Yeah, so that is it, and that's all for this ring light. I think you've gotten it. So for this part, it's good enough to adjust my phone or my camera or whatever I'll be using to shoot at the front, back, up, sideways. This is so nice, guys, and I'm happy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. My name is Bella Jays, and I hope to see you again. Thank you.